Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is 10 ways to make money with Canva. Canva is a free online graphic design platform with a drag and drop interface that lets you customize templates quickly and easily. Editing photos with Canva requires almost no photo editing knowledge or skills. Enough said, I will talk you through the 10 ways that you can use Canva's powerful layout tools and text formatting options to start earning from your designs without even leaving the comfort of your home. Number 1 is using Canva to sell social media design on Fiverr. Social media design is on the rise in today's society. Social media platforms serve as a major form of communication for everyone, from small business to ordinary people who just want to keep in touch. With this change, there are tons of opportunities for designers to make money online by selling their services on sites like Fiverr. So number 2 is selling print on demand (POD) items on Redbubble and Teespring. Some designers are already selling their items on sites like Redbubble and Teespring's print on demand websites offer a wide range of products that people can order with the customer design. Number 3 is get paid selling printable on Etsy. Etsy is a global e-commerce website that features handmade or vintage items and artisans who sell their creations. As an Etsy seller, you can open your own online shop where you will list the things you make and people will buy them. Sign up with affiliate link people to open your Etsy shop today and get 40 listings for free. Make money creating Canva related YouTube tutorials. YouTube tutorials about Canva have become more and more popular over the past year, and now it's time for you to get in on action too. You're already a pro at using Canva and you have made some money on this side with your creation. 5. Create and sell your own master Canva course. If you are very good at using Canva, then why not create your own course for beginners using a platform like Teachable? Doing this is really quite simple. Here are some steps to creating your own Canva course on Teachable. Number 6 is using Canva to make money from the massive ebook market. Have you ever thought about the implications of an ebook cover design? The cover is what draws people in. It's what makes them want to purchase the book and read it. A poorly designed cover will turn away potential customers because they don't feel like a particular story appeals to them at first glance. And number 7 is create and sell your own design templates. Making your own design on Canva and selling them as templates is a simple and profitable way to make money online. A design template is an original pre-designed layout that you can use to create your own website, banner, social media design, etc. Design templates are often used by small businesses that don't have the resources to hire someone to create design from scratch. So guys, these are the 7 ways that you earn money from Canva. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. So take care, goodbye.